Y'all ready? Let's go, y'all ready? Let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like the food, it's the place to be. You come and have a little fun, what your girl can't see. What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're having some seafood, and you guys, if you saw the video from yesterday, you already know. So again, I have some king crab, I have some snow crab, I have some mussels and some corn. Let's go ahead and get started. If you're new to the channel, if you could please hit your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly do appreciate it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started because I'm excited. And if you missed that video from yesterday, you need to go on check it out. There was a lot going on. Thank y'all so much for checking out yesterday's video. We had a lot of laughs in that video. So if you have not checked it out, definitely check it out. I love y'all. And if you watched the video yesterday and didn't stay to the end, then you missed it. But I'll get more into that later. Oh, and here I just have some water. And I don't want to start something. And there might be another video coming up later on today. I'm not sure yet. So. Should I start with the king crab? Yeah, I'm going to just start with the king crab. These are huge. The knuckle alone is huge. But the meat is extremely tender. And actually what I should do is compare it to the ones I usually get and see which one is more tender. They come fully cooked. Y'all know I take this off. So that's that. And I'm going to move these snow crab legs so you can actually see the sauce. That is so tender. And somebody asked, how do you cook them? They actually come cooked, so you can bake them, grill them, steam them, or boil them. And it comes with instructions too. So basically, you're just heating them up and adding whatever flavor or seasoning you want to it. Put a little bit more lemon. That was good. So yeah, I hope y'all are doing good. Yesterday was hilarious. Some people were confused because they didn't watch the whole video. Other people watched the whole video. I was dying laughing. I was laughing, y'all. I was laughing. Somebody talking about they would have stayed on the ground. That is good. I'm gonna get that leg over there in 1 minute, y'all. I also have some garlic butter here on the side. Y'all know I'm a dipper, so I have 2-3 sauces. Let me see if I can put them on the side so they can stay warm. All right. Ooh, that's hot. You know, over there cooking. I don't know why I always cut that after I take the meat out. I did that the whole time with the brown king crab. I'm like, you just saw you took the meat out of that part. Don't worry about it. And I didn't get a chance to go to the store yesterday. So that's why I didn't have a Dungeness. So I just put 2 snow up here. But I will go get some Dungeness. So we can do the trio. But y'all had some really good suggestions. So I'm going to keep those suggestions for our next seafood boils. Ooh. It's sweet. Let me get this knuckle meat out of here. Ooh. I tell you what, this bib catch everything. I didn't realize I was dropping that much stuff on me. Oh, I thought I was burning me. That was a... Ooh. Oh, look at that. It's all meat. Good gracious. Yeah, I like to say I waste meat. Find the meat. After I pull all this. I pull all this out. It's a piece right there. You see a little piece. Oh, that's fat in there. But that's empty. Oh, goodness gracious. I can't put all that in my mouth. I know y'all can. Relax your jaw. No, don't do that. Let me teach y'all how to do it. No, you gotta teach me. Don't worry, but don't worry about that noise. It's the garbage man. They probably finna look all up in here. What is this under my neck? King crab good. And you don't have to heat it up too long either. Like 10 minutes or so. Because you don't want to heat it up too long and get very rubbery. Alright, so much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.